What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with JDM Muscle, and we're back in the car. So episode 5 of the S13 Drift Car build. This one's going to be pretty easy, I think. I've never actually installed this part before, but these seats are beautiful. The crash bar is sweet, but I don't have seat belts, so we did take it for a rip, and it is unsafe. So I did buy a 5-point harness. I'm going to give a shout out to Njuku. So far, buying parts from them has been extremely easy. Parts that were even said to be months out, they ended up having in stock. So guys, here they are by NRG. 140 bucks a piece, not counting shipping, but I ended up going with the purple, and how gorgeous is it? And then of course here is the shoulder strap itself. So I'm hoping in the red car it looks pretty sick. I'm sad to actually get them dirty. Because I'm going to get pretty sweaty and I don't want to ruin these beautiful things, but I did buy 2 with taxes and stuff. Let's call it 312 bucks. So that's first thing that's going to be installed is both harnesses, both seats. And luckily, out of the girlfriend's car, I had stole a fire extinguisher she was going to use, so I'm going to mount this. That way we are safe with the fire extinguisher. Just 2 little easy tasks for this one, guys. So fire extinguisher is going to go easy. Already holes in the bottom. I'll just drill right into the chassis of the car or make a bracket, and then racing harnesses. So I hope you guys enjoy episode 5. Let's get started. All right, guys, so I am getting ready to install the NRG 5-point race harness. Right now I'm just getting everything into the car, kind of set up where I think I want it. Of course, I'm going to have to start finding points of where I want to support some of the side ones. I need to figure out where I'm going to bolt this at. I see some bolts down here I might be able to find. I might need to pull the seat out for the 5th one and see where I can strap this down. Not exactly sure where I'm going to put that one yet. I might have to pull the seat and drill a new bracket. And then when it comes to the 2 shoulders, I am going to have to figure out how to wrap them around the bar properly while having enough space for myself. So it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve. I've never set up harnesses before, but let's get it started. All right, guys, so far I have one in. It's going to be the left one. I did end up using a hole, looks like possibly from the original seat belt. So I did put a big bolt through, tighten it all the way down. One strap is good.
It smells like gas.
Yeah. Race car problems. All right, guys, so now that the one seat belt is done, we are going to move on to the fire extinguisher. Unfortunately, when I ordered the belt, they did say that one was actually on back order. So the driver's seat's done. Passenger seat will have to be done hopefully soon. Otherwise, I want to just let you know this is where I've decided to put the fire extinguisher. That way, it's between both seats. If there is an issue, I can quickly get to the fire extinguisher or a passenger if they could beat me to it. So what I did was just put some blue painter's tape down. That way we were able to measure out the holes. About to drill the holes out. And then, of course, I have some more zip screws that we're just going to put in. All 4 of them should hold this in place. So let's get screwing. All right, and that's it. So now that the holes are screwed, we can mount our fire extinguisher. Guys, so as you can see, I'm in the front of the car. I just wanted to show the back, that way you can see. So first thing I was able to do was I knocked out this side. I then did this, if you guys remember. I was able to drill in all 5 holes. This just locks right in here, and the head sits right on this, and that is it for this. So that was quite easy. I then jumped over when these finally came in a couple days later, and I was able to wrap these up nicely. Everything is strapped down for the driver's seat. So I just want you to come around the side here in a second, and I'm actually going to buckle in, and that was the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a short and sweet one. It's literally just doing the racing harnesses for the driver's seat, passenger seat, and the fire extinguisher, which are all important things because in drifting, unfortunately, you do need the racing harnesses. That way you're safe. You can run stock seat belts, but stock seat belts are for pussies, and these are way cooler. And then fire extinguisher just in case the car catches on fire. So come around and... All right, guys, so now that we're in the car, the 5-point harness is all set up. It's all NRG.
just these quick spins. I think they're extremely easy. You can go with the little bit older style where they snap into each other and then all 5 of them latch down. I just like these ones, pretty easy. Grab the side, grab the center, click it in the bottom. Then the shoulder restraints just come right up and over. And that is it. From here, you can just pull these down tight and I'm locked in. So these feel pretty good. I actually went with these NRGs just because they do have the shoulder pads. I've had sets before where you didn't have the shoulder pads and it just rubs your neck raw because they are pretty sharp after a while. But I'm extremely happy with this set. I'll have to adjust them a little bit. That was tight, but I guess tighter is better than just being loose. That way, if you do get in an accident, you're not gonna get rocked too much. I've got this little bit of padding up here. I do need to test fit the helmet. I do think it's gonna be a little bit tough. This car is tight, whereas the Z had a little bit more room. But overall, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I know I'm enjoying it. This is the end of this one. From here, it's all on to the big hard stuff. Next is gonna be doing the wide body kit, finishing up the wiring underneath the dash, and we'll just keep going from there. I need to finish up the handbrake, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out, and until next time.